but he is a convicted felon, and eventually got that far, persevered through that, and got the guilty verdict.
I mean, to be honest, I'm pretty pissed that he only got. To be honest, I'm pretty pissed that he only got 90 days, weekends only. He deserves way more than that for what he did. I mean, ask any of the firefighters, he's done this over and over and over. Same with us, over and over and over. He thinks he can do whatever he wants to get away.
Part of your efforts was all trying to get your email justice for Harvey. Did you guys give justice to Harvey?
I mean, I guess we did. We got what the judge ordered. Is it what we felt was fair? But we have to respect the judge's, position, what he ordered, and he has to look at a lot of things. So, I'm not happy with that, but there's nothing we can do to change that.
Well,
We just have to accept it and move forward. I did like the fact that he made it clear to everyone that he can't be around us because we worry every day of what this man's going to try next. We know he's going to try something. We just don't know. That's the type of person he is. So, in answer, no, we did not receive the justice.
How was the neighbor relationship? You guys describe something?
I tried for years. My son tried, my wife tried, my daughter tried for years to do whatever he would like us to do so that our relationship was better. It never worked. It never worked. Things would calm down for a little bit, get bored, boom, go off and he's raging. Numerous threats. I mean, even the night when he beat Carly, he jumps up and starts coming at me and Brandon, I'm going to kick your ass. I mean, what kind of man is that? To say he felt bad for what he did? That he was there to help Carly? No. His intention was to kill Carly. He came out of his house, went and got Carly from a neighbor who was going to bring Carly back. And he killed Carly. Brutally beat her.
And you're getting called.
All throughout court, they tried to dehumanize him and humanize Randall.